I want to talk about a platform that's been making some serious waves.
Okay.
It's called loomX.
LoomX. All right, I'm listening. But if you tell me this is another to the moon crypto project,
No.
I might just tune out now.
Fair enough. But see, this one's different, and the story is really why.
Hmm.
It's an AI arbitrage trading platform, but get this.
Yeah?
The founder and her team, they were in development for 3 full years before they launched last October.
Hold on. 3 years? Not 3 months? So the founder, she wasn't just, rushing to catch a trend.
Right.
She was building something substantial. Okay, that has my attention. What was the result?
The result was trust.
Okay.
They launched in October and shot past 100,000 users by January 1st. People saw that long-term commitment.
100,000 people in just a couple of months is a landslide. So what's the core function?
Yeah.
How does it actually work for the user?
So it's based on smart contracts.
Right.
You invest your capital for a set period and the AI trades for you, aiming for daily returns somewhere between, say, 0.3% and 1.8%.
That's a pretty wide range. And when you say set period, it sounds like my money is locked up.
Well,
What if I'm nervous about it?
that's the beauty of it. The contract lengths are flexible.
Oh,
If you're skeptical, you can literally just start with the 7-day contract to try it out, see how it works for yourself. And to be clear, your initial investment comes back right after the contract term is complete.
a 7-day test run, that's smart. It lets you dip your toes in. But my biggest issue with these platforms is getting paid.
Right.
The withdrawal process is always a nightmare.
And this is the part that will make you a believer.
Okay.
Every single time your earnings hit $5, the system automatically sends it directly to your personal crypto wallet, instantly.
Wait, it's completely automatic? You don't have to request it?
Nope.
There's no withdrawals submitted. Please wait 3 to 5 business days nonsense?
None. You earn it, you get it. On top of that,
Wow.
you can also earn by sharing the platform with others and helping the community grow.
Okay, that combination is brilliant. An instant, hands-off payout system that removes the biggest fear factor in crypto.
Exactly.
Add a referral incentive, and I can see why they grew so fast. But we have to talk about the risks.
Absolutely. And let's be very clear on this.
Please.
This is for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. The golden rule always applies.
Right.
Do not put in more than you are willing to lose. Every investment, no matter how promising, carries risk.
A crucial disclaimer. Be responsible, everyone. All right, so for our listeners who are intrigued and want to learn more,
Yeah,
what are the next steps?
it's easy. You can click the link right in our description to join. We also ask that you like, share, and comment on this episode.
Okay.
It really helps us out. And to make it even simpler, there's a link to a video that gives you a step-by-step guide to get started on loomX.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. With technology enabling instant access to our earnings, how does that shift our expectations for financial systems? And what does it teach us about the value of trust?
Open the loomX app. Scroll down to the Matrix Contract Bot section. Tap the white button in the top right corner. This will take you to the bot console. Tap the Contract button in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Matrix Contract Bot selection page. You can also tap the button in the top right corner on the home page. Tap the Contract Bot image to quickly access the Contract Bot selection page. Choose the Contract Bot that best fits your needs. Here, we'll take the Star Vortex Contract Bot as an example. Tap the Star Vortex Contract Bot. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, then tap Create Now. Tap Confirm. That's it, your order has been created.